Yes, the earnings report of many very valuable companies are actually rolling out. And one of those stocks that I follow for a very long time, done analysis, and of course, given my analysis verdict and choice. It's one of my best stock for 2026, and that is AMD. AMD did their annual report yesterday. I'm going to join the analyst call today, but then the moment they released that earnings report, AMD rose over 20%. Yes, over 20%. You can see where the stock price is right now, and I'm actually betting it to hit $516 from now till Friday. Yes, I'm looking forward to that. You can see this is an amazing company that is actually competing with NVIDIA because they do almost the same production. They focus more on GPUs, chips, and all that. So I'm actually betting on this particular company to add it to my radar, and I'm also doing the option trade. It's an amazing stock. So this stock is going to touch $700, $800 to $1,000 before they decide to split. But for the moment, it's a valuable company to add to your radar. Another thing that you also check is that if you want to buy this particular stock, always find out if this stock is overrated, undervalued, or overvalued. You must find out, because now it is upside and it's taking a lot of profit for investors. However, if you check 1 year ago, where was this particular company? Where was it 1 year ago? That is June. In June, it was trading $98 in June, and I bought this stock when it was $800 and something dollars. 200 and around 240. That's when I bought it, and now I'm already making over 27% on my portfolio. So you too can check that. So there are many stocks that I've actually followed, giving my analysis on them and looking forward to what they're going to do. Another stock is Netflix. Netflix has been struggling over the period of 6 months, if not more. You see, they have been dropping, touching 100 and coming down, but yet this company is over $370 billion market cap, and the PE ratio is 28.35. So when you do the analysis, you now know that, of course, Netflix is trading below intrinsic value. It's trading below intrinsic value, and it's very cheap, And so when you get this particular stock and it goes back to its glory days, you're going to make a lot of profit adding this stock to your radar. NVIDIA is another one. Meta platform, yes. Meta platform, which is Facebook, has been struggling for the past 4-5 months. It has been struggling. Now you can see what it's doing right now, and the annual report is going to be July 29. So we are looking forward to this, but in the meantime, you check the valuation, based on revenue, PE ratio, that is the price to earning ratio, 12 months trailing is showing 21.97. 21.97. So when you do the mathematics, you also find out that, of course, Facebook is actually bringing in more profit to investors compared to its peers. So it is undervalued and it's well structured for growth. So these are stocks that I'm actually making sure I add them to my radar. And my darling in the market today is APLD and Micron Technologies. Micron has done absolutely so. In fact, I'm making over. Let me not just mention points. But if you go back to 1 year ago, you can see where this stock price was, $80. Yes, $80. I actually bought when it was around $90, and I wasn't having up to unit, so I bought a fraction of it at $74, and look at where it is right now. So these are what I do. These are what I show my investors, my mentees, and those who care to build wealth over time through the financial market. And this is how you build wealth. You have to be strategic. You have to take a step into the market at the right time. However, when the stock has gone overboard, you don't need to chase the hype. You don't need to chase the market. You only structure yourself, have a strategy, wait for it to meet you. And once it meets you, you pick it up there. These are gone up. There are many other stocks that are preparing to upside. And for me, I will always tell you, the best thing you can do for yourself is to start building wealth, through the financial market. Buy some valuable stocks. And in my mentorship group, I always list out valuable stock for people to buy. I won't bore you with a lot of stock because you may be confused. The right one according to your portfolio size. Yes, according to your portfolio size. And for those who will manage their portfolio, forget it. We handle it and make sure profit. You make much more money. Within 1 year, you are expected to hit, if not 80% of your capital investment, or even double your investment. These are how you build wealth over time. Not to save money in the bank because it's not safe. Yes, you better invest in a moving company, guys. So as you watch this particular video, if you find value in it, do well to share it to someone within your community. Someone may see this and, of course, take the opportunity and grow their wealth.